it's Mary. Welcome to Chinese Lesson 4. Today we're going to learn how to say month of the year. Month in Chinese is 月份. 月份. Usually in daily life we use the shorter term 月. 月. This character also stands for the moon in Chinese. So 月 has two meanings. One, month. Two, the moon. Okay, so January is 一月. 一月. February 二月. 二月. March 三月. 三月. April 四月. 四月. May 五月. 五月. June 六月. 六月. July 七月. 七月. August 八月. 八月. September 九月. 九月. October 十月. 十月. November 十一月. 十一月. December 十二月. 十二月. Basically, we combine numbers 1 to 12 and the character month, and we get the 12th month. It's very easy. Repeat it after me. 一月 January. 一月 January. 二月 February. 二月 February. 三月March. 三月 March. 四月 April. 四月 April. 五月 May. 五月 May. 六月 June. 六月 June. 七月 July. 七月 July. 八月 August. 八月 August. 九月 September. 九月 September. 十月 October. 十月 October. 十一月 November. 十一月 November. 十二月 December. 十二月 December. Okay, let's repeat completely in Chinese. 一月 二月 三月 四月 五月 六月 七月 八月 九月 十月 十一月 十二月. Okay, today we also learned how to say 11 and 12 in Chinese because November and December use the numbers 11 and 12. Okay, today's lesson is finished. I will see you in the very next lesson very soon. Bye!